Question. What does skew mean when writing scratches? Answer. Simply put, skewed means that one side of a cut is longer than the other. So when the fundamental bubby scratch found within nearly all scratches has a change o/direction that is not exactly at the center o/the start and end points, it can be mathematically described as being skewed. The following diagram depicts skew distributions using 12 Cuepoint placeholders. The baby scratch is labeled with the highlighted minus symbol have a negative skew, since the change of direction is to the right of the center of the start and end points depicted with the openfader symbols, white circles. Conversely, the baby scratch is labeled with the highlighted plus symbol have a positive skew, since the change of direction is to the left of center. Although most scratches can be skewed, I've chosen babies, also known as rubs, to illustrate the dynamic rhythmic possibilities of this most simple open fader technique. Notice that the scratches labeled 6-6 can be thought of as babies while the others would be seen as various drag variations. These bubby scratches, composed o/forward and backward movements, can thus be described as being scratch isotopes since they are variations of the same technique much like physical elements that share the same name. In the periodic matrix of scratches, positively skewed scratches are labeled with the plus symbol while negative ones are labeled with the minus symbol to denote this difference in pitch. Notice that each example has a different forward to pullback ratio described by two numbers, the first being the forward length and the second be that of the pullback. Although a scratch can be broken down into an infinite number of Cuepoint placeholders, the number 12 was used to show that each unique bubby scratch can form a 12-step musical octave, each with its own unique forward and backward average pitch. The reason that I say average pitch is because hand movement usually varies from being a constant speed. At the bottom of the page is an example of the general mathematic concepts of positive and negative slope created when there is no change of direction. Forward record movement has a positive slope while reverse movement has a negative slope. Zero slope means that the record is being paused or held by the DJ. These concepts of skew and slope, generally used in statistical analysis, can help turntablists overstand the mathematic intricacies of scratching to help expand their arsenal of techniques.